Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the image in Paint and immediately selecting what you want inverted. This saves time and keeps you focused. Use the Select tool and press Ctrl+A to grab the whole canvas or drag to choose a region. Once selected, copy it with Ctrl+C as a quick backup so you can revert if needed. This step matters because Paint has no layers. Making a copy prevents accidental loss while you perform the color inversion steps that follow. Now perform the inversion. If you paste it into a new window, work there to keep originals intact. Open Edit Colors and manually build an inverted palette by subtracting each RGB value from 255. This is why knowing RGB helps. If you prefer a faster route, convert selection to transparent background, then use fill with inverted colors or use keyboard shortcuts to rapidly replace colors. Make sure to zoom in and check edges, because manual color swaps finish by saving a copy with a new name so the original stays unchanged. This is your safety net. Inspect the entire image at 100% and clean any stray pixels with the eraser or pencil tools. Small touch-ups fix artifacts from manual swaps. If colors seem off, make sure your RGB inversion math used 255 minus each channel value, and if things go wrong, revert to the backup you copied earlier. Once done, you'll have a clean inverted image ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.